Hello everyone, and thanks for watching. I'm DayWeather meteorologist Don Day with a look at your Tuesday, January 5th weather update for Wyoming. Satellite imagery shows that most of the nation fairly quiet. The exception is the current storm hitting California here. Here's the next storm that's going to hit California tomorrow, and there's another one up here that'll come in late Friday and Saturday. So the promised El Nino rains for California finally coming. But as you can see, over Wyoming and Colorado, and once you get east of the Rockies, not much going on, as the West Coast will chew up most of these storms, and there won't be much left for us as they come in. Here's the current jet stream chart. We can see the trough coming into the West Coast, dropping south into the Rockies and high pressure building over the east. This will keep storms coming into the West Coast, but as they come east, they'll be weakened, and we just get the leftovers. However, by late Sunday afternoon, notice the troughiness along the West Coast is replaced by a big ridge that extends all the way up into the Gulf of Alaska. High pressure on the West Coast into the Gulf of Alaska always means cold for Wyoming. It opens the door to Canada, and cold air will rush in as early as Thursday and Friday, but especially over the weekend, and the cold will come into the nation's heartland and then eventually to the East Coast by early next week. So a lot of the nation going to see some much colder weather this weekend and next week. Precipitation over the next week, as you can see, boy, look at California. There are areas here that could see 6 to 8 inches of rain, including what could be up to 5 inches of liquid in the Sierras of California. That could be 4 to 6 feet of snow or more. Also notice the heavier precipitation in the form of rain and snow getting into the desert Southwest, Arizona, Nevada, the Four Corners region. But notice how much lighter the precipitation gets east of the Continental Divide. So we're just not expecting much to get east of the mountains other than a little bit of light snow late this week and this weekend. Shouldn't add up to much. Travel concerns, we'll have a few snow showers today and Wednesday in this portion of Wyoming as a little bit of that Pacific moisture comes in. The rest of Wyoming, really no travel problems. It'll be a little bit breezy here through Muddy Gap and Casper and along Interstate 80, but we just don't expect much in the way, by our standards, of much wind. Here are our weather highlights. No major weather worries through Wednesday for Wyoming other than in the far west, where there will be a few snow showers. The rest of Wyoming will be dry. Now, colder Thursday through next Monday. Not bitter cold, but we're looking at temperatures for highs only teens and 20s by the weekend. And most of Wyoming, Thursday through Sunday into Monday, will have some chances for a little bit of light snow, but we're talking about scattered areas of light snow and flurries, nothing that will be heavy, but certainly be prepared for colder weather during the second half of the week and the weekend. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you tomorrow. I'm meteorologist Don Day.